Aidan's Wonder Kitchen! Welcome back to Aidan's Wonder Kitchen, and today we're going to be making hash browns in a waffle maker. Later we will be joined by a special guest who will make healthy fruit leather. Here's what we'll need: russet potatoes, butter, grated cheddar cheese, a beaten egg, flour, salt and pepper, cooking spray, sour cream, green onion for garnishing. Here's what we will be using: a peeler, a grater, a cutting board, a large bowl, a tea towel or paper towel, a tablespoon, waffle maker, a spatula, whisk or wooden spoon, and a serving platter. Here's how we make it. Peel the potatoes and grate them. Place in a large bowl. Cover in cold water and let it sit for 2 minutes to remove the starch. Dry in a tea towel or paper towel. Beat 1 egg. Da da da. There we go. Add the butter in. And the beaten egg in. Add some cheddar cheese in. Scrape for the sides. Some all-purpose flour. A pinch of salt. Probably over the pinch. And a pinch of pepper. Mix until blended. Get your waffle maker, spray it in with cooking spray. Scoop the mixture into the waffle trays. And close it up. Cook for about 7 minutes or until golden brown. It smells super good. Yay, it's done! Let it cool down before removing. Place on serving plate. It's garnish time. These look really good. It's time to eat. It's delicious. You gotta try it now. Yum, yum, yummity, yum. And now for the special guest I promised you earlier. He's here. He's coming to the kitchen right now.
I'm Arlo, and today we will be making healthy fruit leather.
Fruit leather. Here's what you'll need: strawberries, washed and halved, lemon or lime juice, and honey. Here's what we will be using: 1 medium bowl, 2 small bowls, a juicer, a blender, an oven, a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and a pizza cutter. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees. Juice the lemon. Add strawberries, lemon, and honey to the blender. Blend on high until smooth. Pour onto a baking sheet. Shake gently or spread out evenly with a spatula.
It's time to bake on the lowest setting.
Ask an adult to place it in the oven. Bake for 7 hours. This may seem long, but it's well worth it. Remove from the oven and let it cool. You can also make other fruit combinations like pineapple and blueberries. Cut into strips and roll to enjoy. See you soon on Aidan's Wonder Kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe.